For countless generations, humanity has gazed upward at the night sky, filled with wonder and curiosity. We have asked ourselves the timeless question: are we truly alone in this vast and endless universe? Across centuries, philosophers, scientists, and dreamers have speculated about the existence of other intelligent beings beyond our world. Our ancestors looked at distant stars with hope, while modern astronomers have searched with powerful instruments, probing the cosmos for signs of life. What was once only a dream or speculation has now entered the realm of undeniable truth. In a groundbreaking revelation, the head of NASA has confirmed that the James Webb Space Telescope, our most advanced window into the universe, has made an astonishing discovery. It has detected evidence of life on the exoplanet Proxima B, a world orbiting the closest star to our own solar system. This single discovery holds the potential to transform not only science, but the very way humanity views itself in the grand tapestry of existence. We now stand at the threshold of a new chapter in cosmic history, where the possibility of alien life is no longer just a question, it is a reality. Join us as we journey through the discoveries of the James Webb Space Telescope, uncover the secrets it has revealed, and explore what this means for humanity's future. The James Webb Space Telescope, often described as a masterpiece of engineering, is far more than just a scientific tool. It represents the next great leap in humanity's quest to understand the cosmos. Carefully positioned in a stable orbit, far beyond the reach of Earth's interference, Webb has been designed to look deeper into space than any telescope before it. At the heart of this marvel lies its enormous 6.5-meter primary mirror, a golden eye that is more than twice the size of Hubble's legendary mirror. This massive structure gives Webb an unmatched ability to capture light from the faintest, most distant corners of the universe. With this power, scientists can now explore regions of space that were once hidden in darkness, unlocking mysteries that older telescopes could only hint at. One of Webb's most powerful instruments is the near-infrared camera, NIR-CAM. NIR-CAM can cut through vast clouds of cosmic dust that block ordinary light, allowing astronomers to see the birth of stars and galaxies. It can detect planets orbiting distant suns and reveal structures in the universe that were once invisible to us. Alongside this is the near-infrared spectrograph, NIR-SPEC, a tool designed to separate light into its individual wavelengths. Through this technique, called spectroscopy, astronomers can learn about a star or planet's temperature, its composition, and even its motion across space. NIR-SPEC makes it possible to map the life cycles of stars, study galaxies in detail, and even analyze the atmospheres of alien worlds. Webb also carries the mid-infrared instrument, MIRI, which observes longer wavelengths of light. MIRI is capable of analyzing exoplanet atmospheres in detail, detecting key chemicals like water vapor, methane, and carbon dioxide, molecules linked to the possibility of life. Together, these instruments transform Webb into the search for life beyond Earth depends on Webb's extraordinary skill in spectroscopy and atmospheric analysis, two techniques that serve as our cosmic detective tools. When a distant planet passes across the face of its parent star, a moment known as a transit, the starlight bends, scatters, and filters through the planet's atmosphere. That thin veil of light carries secrets, encoding chemical clues that reveal what the atmosphere is made of. By spreading that light into its spectrum, Webb can read it like a fingerprint, uncovering molecules invisible to the naked eye. This delicate process is humanity's key to unlocking the hidden recipes of alien worlds. Among the most treasured findings are biosignatures, chemical hints that may suggest life. Molecules such as oxygen, methane, carbon dioxide, and water vapor have been identified as vital signposts in this search. On Earth, each of these is deeply linked to living systems: plants releasing oxygen, microbes producing methane, and oceans sustaining water vapor. Their discovery elsewhere would be a breathtaking indication that biology might be at work on other worlds. But scientists remain cautious, reminding us that the mere presence of these molecules does not guarantee life, it only suggests the possibility. Yet, even the possibility is enough to ignite humanity's imagination and push our science to new heights. Webb takes this a step further through comparative spectroscopy, a powerful method of comparing the chemical fingerprints of multiple planets. By contrasting these atmospheric profiles, astronomers can build a larger picture of how common, or how rare, habitable environments may truly be across the galaxy. Every observation adds one more puzzle piece to the grand map of cosmic habitability, showing us whether Earth is unique or part of a much larger family of living worlds. It is like lifting the veil of mystery one planet at a time, revealing patterns that may ultimately tell us how widespread life really is. The implications of these findings stretch far beyond astronomy. Webb is not only a life-hunting telescope, it is also a time machine, capable of peering into the deepest past of the universe. Its instruments capture light that began its journey billions of years ago, long before Earth even existed. That light reveals the cosmic dawn, the first sparks of creation when galaxies were young, stars were just forming, and the foundations of planets were being laid. For the first time in history, we are able to witness the universe as it was in its infancy, tracing the origins of the structures that would one day give rise to life itself. Every new discovery forces us to re-examine what we thought we knew, pushing back the boundaries of human knowledge. It is as though Webb has given us eyes that can pierce through time itself. And now, with the confirmation of life on Proxima B, humanity finds itself standing at the threshold of an entirely new era. This is not simply another discovery, it is a revolution in our understanding of the cosmos. It means that life is not confined to the pale blue dot we call home, but exists elsewhere, orbiting a distant star only a few light years away. This revelation is a turning point, one that will echo through history as a moment when humanity's perspective of itself was forever altered. No longer can we say that life is unique to Earth. We now know that the spark of life has emerged on at least one other world, and if it has appeared there, it could appear countless times across the universe. The psychological impact of this truth cannot be overstated. Philosophers, scientists, and theologians alike will grapple with the meaning of our place in a universe now proven to host life beyond our own. Nations and space agencies will be forced to rethink their missions, shifting from exploration alone to the possibility of communication, protection, and even coexistence with alien biology. For the first time, the possibility of contact, even if only through scientific data, feels within our grasp. As Webb continues its mission, it will not only expand our knowledge of the stars but also transform our understanding of what it means to be human. Each beam of light it captures carries whispers from distant worlds, telling us that the universe is more alive, more diverse, and more extraordinary than we ever imagined. The age-old question, "Are we alone?" has moved from a quiet doubt into a resounding answer. And that answer, at last, is no, we are not alone. This discovery is not the end of humanity's journey, but the beginning of a far greater adventure. A new chapter in our cosmic story is unfolding, one that will guide future generations toward new worlds, new civilizations, and perhaps one day, new neighbors among the stars. With every passing year, Webb will peel back more layers of mystery, bringing us closer to a complete picture of the grand design of the cosmos. And with each new revelation, we will come to realize that Earth is not the center of life in the universe. It is simply one voice in a vast, living chorus. The universe is awake. The universe is alive. And for the first time, humanity knows with certainty